Here's this 1989 Carrier TECH2000 running on a really hot August day. That's an 89 2-ton. It's all nice and cold. It's working great. It's got a Tecumseh compressor. Some condensation right there. We got a Ruud 10-seer air conditioner.
30,000 BTU, that would be 2.5.
And I think this is a Weather King. Or no, this is a Corsaire. There's from 2006. This is a 2-ton 13-seer with a Bristol compressor.
We have the Corsaire that's next door. It's got a Bristol in it.
And here's the other 89 TECH2000. I missed the startup of it, but I'm going to try to get it again. I'm going to try to get it next time inside this. This one's from 2002. That's a 2.5 ton. But yeah, we got 4 other users here. Their names will be listed in the description. Yeah, just figured I'd run through these real quick while the whole squad is here. Alright. And these are all straight cool. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be it.